Hello there. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Redpower computer door controller thing. So first, here's the parts you'll need: monitor, central processing unit, a disk drive, an I/O expander, a fourth boot disk, fourth is the operating system, a blank floppy disk, bundled cable, ribbon cable, and marble. You'll also need some white and orange insulated wire. Well, actually just white. Sorry. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put blocks down for your computers to go on. So first we're going to place our central processing unit and disk drive, as well as the I/O expander. And the I/O expander has this, and you're going to connect up your bundled cable to that. So have that bundled cable facing the way you want it to face. So now we got that done, I'll show you. See this? That's going to go into it, and that's going to be what controls the door. So yeah. And then here we're going to link these all up. You don't have to, but I like doing it because I like the way this cable looks. Okay. So next we have to find a place for our monitor and other stuff. We'll just run these next to each other. Okay, so I think we'll put the door about here. So it'll be an iron door. Or reinforced, I like reinforced. There. So we got our reinforced door here. And if you want to conceal your redstone, what you have to do is get a redstone torch. Boom. So that's going to prop that door open. And then you're going to get a bit of red alloy wire. And that's going to be connected up to the white cable that we're going to connect with the bundled. Can it maybe go? Come on. Doesn't like it. Oop. Generally don't want to break your bedrock. What do we need? We don't need that anymore. Currently. I mean, we do, but kind of don't. We'll just do it like that. And then, yeah. So we got those connected up. And then we'll run this wire through to the computer. And then, or to the I/O expander. Then we're going to bring the bundled cable. You'll have to do work concealing this up. I'm just showing you how. And you're going to get your block, which in my case is marble, and you're going to link it up to this monitor. So then you'll see there's nothing on. So first, what we have to do is that all linked up. Yep. First, I'll show you an example, I suppose. We get a redstone. Just take the CPU. So this is sending a current through to that wire. So if I break that, so it's basically, you can have as many colors of this white, of the bundled insulated wire as you want, but you have to have at least, like, yeah, you can't be more than the amount of insulated wire. I'm confusing myself, sorry. Okay, so now you're going to put your fourth boot disk in your disk drive. And on your CPU, you're going to click reset if you already turned it on, and then click start. Then if you run over to your monitor, it will say that much free. 600 bytes free. So now if we type IOX, or 1 IOX exclamation mark, that closes the door. So and then if we type 0, That's an O. 0 IOX exclamation mark. It opens the door. So what we need it to do is first we actually have to reverse this. So can we just do this? Sorry. Sorry. I did it backwards. 1 IOX exclamation mark. It has to all be caps. Okay, that's better. So on 0 IOX exclamation mark turns it off. So now what you can do is type a colon and then space, and we're just going to call it open. You can call that whatever you want. I recommend leaving it lowercase. So that brings up a compile thing when you press enter. So this is writing a program basically. So since we know that 1 IOX exclamation mark opens the door, we're going to type that. And then we're going to tell the computer to wait. And 100 ticks is about 5 seconds. 20 ticks is 1 second. So it's going to wait 100 ticks or 5 seconds. And then the computer is going to say 0 IOX exclamation mark. And then that's it for this code. Then you're going to press a semicolon, which is the opposite of the one that we did for the other one, for the open thing, I guess. Then it closes your command thing. Now if we type open, the door will open, and then wait 5 seconds, and then it will close. And it just keeps going. So, yeah. You can also, like, have it, like if you got orange wire, the orange wire would be 2. So, see here, orange insulated wire. If we say 2 IOX exclamation mark, it turns the orange wire on, you'll see. And once again, if we do 0 IOX, wrong one, 0 IOX exclamation mark, turns it off. So 0 IOX exclamation mark turns everything off. And yeah, the numbers go in order of the insulated wire color on here. So yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, I think. I might have got it off there. But now that we've done that, written this code, we want to save it. So we're going to pop out our boot disk. Then we're going to put in our blank floppy disk. Now what we do is we go back over here. Let's make sure it still works. So it still works. Wait for it. There. So you're going to type save in all caps. And you're going to put a quotation mark. Then you're going to press space. And we're just going to say door. And then it will save. It takes a second. Now when we take out the floppy disk, it will be called door. So now that the code and whatever else we typed is saved to that floppy disk. So yeah. That's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.